All right, let's move on. Speaking part two. Topic is describe a long car journey you went on. So please, you can start.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to talk about a long journey to Islamabad with my two childhood friend, and it's 1 year back when I applied a Turkish visa in VFS in Islamabad. So I have to go there. One day I get a SMS from the VFS and they call me to collect your passport at that day and that time. So I just called my friend Akram and I asked him. Could you please come with us? Me and Arsalan, we are planning to go Islamabad, and I will collect my passport as well, and we will enjoy some places over there, so we can make it a small trip as well. So he's agree, and suddenly we make a plan, and we just start the car, and in night we leave the town from Lahore to Islamabad, and it's around 350 kilometers journey maybe. So we started and after 3 hours, I was the only driver who can drive well, and we just started our journey. And after 3 hours, we lay over in Jehlam, and we grab some tea and some chips, and after that, we moved toward Islamabad, and it was morning, like the adhan was going on when we was front of Faisal Mosque, and we do ablution and we say prayer over there, and after the prayer we enjoy the beautiful atmosphere over there, like the morning was coming up.
Okay, that's good. You have spoken for 1.5 minutes. Overall, it is good, but connect your answer more with car.
Yeah.
Like from the car we saw while
Okay.
driving the car.
Okay.
After every 5 6 sentences, use car.
Oh, okay.
One thing. Second, your topic is in the past tense, but you're
Uh,
using present tense also. You're
okay.
using first form of the verb. So you
Okay.
should use second form of the verb throughout
In
your
all,
answer.
okay.
But otherwise, it's good,
It's good.
right?
All right.
Now, let's move on to speaking part three. What will cars be like in the future?
It's all electric cars.
Okay,
Yeah.
you give full answer.
Electric cars. I'm watching electric cars are coming in a future. Like I've been in UK and I see the Tesla is, promoting a lots of cars over there. I've been in Birmingham and I see they are making a big festival for the auction cars, and even they are installing some like ports outside the house, inside the houses, and actually they are promoting the electric car because after some years, maybe the petrols have prices may be high, so the electrical car costs us a less price.
Okay, what is the difference between men's and women's preferences for cars?
Yeah. Uh, Especially for the women, actually they have less skills in driving, according to my opinion. So I think they prefer the automatic cars. And if you talk about the men, they don't care of it. It's automatic, and it's like they want to, the boys especially make to their cars something special. Like they work on sound. They want to decorate it by their choice. But the women especially need the.
Okay, will there be any flying cars in the future?
It can maybe, but still, uh, I seen personally one thing in Expo 2020 in Dubai, and they have planned for the flying cars. So I hope so it will be done.
Okay, overall it's good, fluency is good, pronunciation is fine, but the only issue is with tenses.
Okay.
Right? I mean, you use wrong form of the verb
Okay.
sometimes,
Okay.
like first form, second form. So just improve this thing,
Okay.
it'll be fine. Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 6.5,
Okay.
but with a little improvement in grammar, you
Okay.
can take it to 7 or 7.5.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you.
Thank you so
I
much.